My beloved subscribers, this is Next Gen Insights, your new YouTube channel where you can find the wired, wild, and wonderful side of science, tech, job market, and investments. Subscribe to the channel, activate the alerts to stay tuned about new videos, and hit the like button so we can keep creating new videos for you. I'll walk you through 5 practical skills to focus on, a simple 7-day project you can finish, 3 straightforward ways to make a little money from that project, and a realistic week-by-week schedule. No hype, no guarantees, just steps that improve your chances when done consistently in 3 months. AI isn't magically stealing careers. It's changing which tasks matter and how people prove they can do them. If you want better odds in the job market, stop hoarding certificates and start building small, useful things. This is a clear, cautious 3-month plan. Learn 1 useful skill, ship 1 small project, and show real results, even modest ones, to employers or customers. Quick reality check. Employers care about practical results more than credentials. If you can use AI to save time, reduce mistakes, or make a repetitive task easier, you've created value. The person who can combine basic domain knowledge with simple AI tools and show that it works will have an easier time getting interviews and small gigs. 3 simple rules to follow. Pick skills that produce results, finish 1 public project, and measure something concrete. Even a small metric is better than vague claims. 5 practical skills and how to start them. Prompting. Learn to ask clear questions to an AI so the output is useful. Practice by taking long text, like a messy email, and asking the AI to convert it into a short checklist or a clear summary. Save prompt versions so you can show how you improved them. Basic data work. Get comfortable with spreadsheets and simple charts. Clean 1 messy list, remove duplicates, and show a chart that answers a question. You don't need advanced statistics, just the ability to turn data into a simple insight. Tool glue. Learn how to connect an AI service to a web page or a no-code tool. This can be as small as a form that sends text to an AI and shows the result. The goal is a running demo, not perfect code. Simple automations. Automate a repetitive task for someone. For example, auto-draft replies for common customer questions. If you can save someone 10 minutes a day, that's tangible value. Clear explanation. Practice writing 1 sentence that explains the benefit and 1 short paragraph that explains how it works in plain words. If a non-technical manager can read it and nod, you're doing it right. A 7-day project blueprint you can actually finish. Day 1. Choose 1 small problem and 1 real user. Keep scope tiny. 1 page, 1 user, 1 core feature. Example. Summarize meeting notes into action items. Day 2. Define inputs and outputs. Write, input equals meeting transcript, output equal 5 action items. This keeps you focused. Day 3. Prototype prompts and basic logic. Test 3 prompt variations and keep the best one. Note what fails and why. Day 4. Make a simple interface. A single web page, a Google Sheet, or a no-code app is fine. Ugly but working beats perfect and private. Day 5. Measure 1 thing. Time saved, number of correct items, or user satisfaction on a 1 to 5 scale. Capture a screenshot or a short clip. Day 6. Publish a demo link or a small repo with a clear README that states the problem and the measured result. Day 7. Share with 5 people, friends, relevant LinkedIn contacts, or a small community. Ask 1 question. Would you pay X dollars for this? Use the answers to make 1 quick fix and ship. How to describe your project in 1 line. Write. Project name. What it does. 1 measurable outcome. Example. CV quick fix. Improves resume bullets. Reduced editing time by 8 minutes. Be honest and modest. 3 practical side income paths that scale slowly and sensibly. Freelance micro gigs. Offer 1 repeatable deliverable such as, I will build a 3-prompt FAQ bot. Price it clearly and deliver fast. micro SaaS, or paid templates. Turn the repeatable part of your work into a small paid product, a template, a prompt pack, or a simple subscription tool. Teach what you did. Record a short course or checklist that walks through your project. Use real screenshots from your project as examples. How to present your work when applying for jobs. Put the project first on your resume and in your LinkedIn headline. Include a 30-60-second demo video and a live demo link. In applications, add one sentence. Here's how I'd solve specific problem for your team, with a demo link. Short, specific, and evidence-backed beats long, vague descriptions. A short outreach template that's honest and useful. Hi, name. I built a short demo that shows one way to reduce problem. It's 30 seconds to view. Would you be open to 2 minutes of feedback? Keep it brief and specific. A realistic week-by-week 3 months plan. Weeks 1 to 2, foundations. Practice prompting daily, clean one dataset, and make a tiny prototype call to an AI. Focus on small wins. Weeks 3-6 Project Sprint. Use the 7-day blueprint to build and then spend extra weeks polishing, measuring, and documenting. Weeks 7 to 10 Monetize and apply. Start small freelance work, list a template or product, and apply to jobs with your project link front and center. Weeks 11-12 Iterate and scale. Improve the automation, ask paying users for feedback, and refine your outreach messages. Common mistakes and simple fixes. Mistake: learning forever without shipping. Fix: set a strict project deadline and finish a minimum viable demo. Mistake: building for nobody. Fix: ask one person what they need before you build. Mistake: hiding your work. Fix: publish a demo and a short README. Visibility matters more than polish. Small credibility hacks that help. Show a single small metric, minutes saved, items processed, or a % improvement. Numbers don't have to be large to be believable. Record a 60-second demo clip showing the tool in action and include it in your profile. A practical pep talk. Treat your first project like a useful experiment. You are not promising the moon. You are proving you can deliver a small, measurable improvement. If you can save one person time or make a process easier, you've created something employers notice. Next steps. Pick one skill from the 5. Pick one tiny problem, do the 7-day project, and share it with 5 people. Aim to get one small paying customer or one meaningful interview. Small, consistent steps are how you improve your odds. See you in the next video. Simple steps, modest promises, real results.